Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. As we all know that for any competitive exam preparation, we must read textbooks, and especially those people who are preparing for TET, CTET, DSE or TRT, they must read EVS subject. The EVS subject in our curriculum starts from class 3rd. In this video, we will see 25 selected questions in EVS from class 3rd, which are taken from TS SCERT textbooks. Let us read the first question. What is a family tree? Answer. A family tree gives details about grandparents or shows relationship between the different members of a family. See it like this. This is an example of family tree. Next question is, which script is used by blind people? Answer is Braille script or Braille writing. It is a Braille script. Braille script is a tactile writing system used by people who are visually impaired. The script is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised dots. The script is based on 6 points, and Louis Braille invented this. Next question is, on which day World Old Age Day is celebrated? Answer is 1st of October. The next question is, the International Day of Persons with Disabilities is celebrated on. The answer is 3rd December. Next question is, National Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. Next question, International Children's Day is celebrated on. Answer 20th November. Next question is, which game is played on the horseback? Answer is polo. Next question is, what is polo sport stick is called? Answer is mallet. The image shown is a polo game in which players on horseback use long mallets. Next question is, give some examples of animals living underground burrows. Answer is rabbit, mouse, shrew, snake and mongoose. Next question is, who spreads the malaria, which means who transmits the malaria? The answer is mosquito. Next question is, what is the name of the mosquito that causes malaria? The answer is Anopheles mosquito. Only female Anopheles mosquito can transmit malaria, and they must have been infected through a person blood meal taken from an infected person. Next question is, what is the main cause of malaria? Answer is Plasmodium vivax. Actually, malaria is caused by a parasite. The parasite is spread to humans through the bites of infected mosquitoes. People who have malaria usually feel very sick with a high fever and shaking chills. Next question is, what is the reason for typhoid? Typhoid is caused by bacteria Salmonella typhi. It is usually spread through contaminated water or food. Next question is, how can we control the breeding of mosquitoes and housefly? Answer is throw trash in dustbin, use kerosene and malathion on stagnant water. Next question is, which trees do not have branches and its leaves used to make roofs of hut? Answer is palm tree. Next question is, what are the responsibilities of Gram Panchayat? Answer is water supply, cleaning the drains and streets, maintaining street lights or electricity. Next question is, the water tank is cleaned once a week. Dash is mixed with the water to purify it. The answer is chlorine. The next question is, to whom should be informed about the leakages in pipes and about wastage of water? The answer is the village sarpanch. The next question is, wood houses are mostly built in dash zones. Answer is earthquake zones. The next question is, which district of Telangana is famous for toys? The answer is Nirmal, Kondapalli and Etikoppa. Nirmal is in Telangana state, Kondapalli and Etikoppa is in Andhra Pradesh. World famous Nirmal toys. Next question is, which district is famous for Ranjan pottery in Telangana? Answer is Adilabad. The next question is, cotton clothes are made with dash, cotton thread, and silk clothes are made with dash, thread that comes from silkworms. Next question is, what can kill bacteria in water? Answer is bleaching powder and chlorine tablets. The next question is, what is a profession? Answer is a paid occupation, especially one that involves prolonged training and formal qualification. The last question is, which animal can stay without drinking a water for a number of days? Answer is camel.